Oh, yo, what's poppin'? Back with another vlog. I'm not even gonna ride today. My foot is completely dusted. Today we're out here at good old Bluff Creek. You know how it is. Beautiful place. We're about to do some maintenance on the tracks. We've been wanting to do maintenance on these tracks for so long, wanting these tracks to be the way we want them. So my cousins actually got the privileges to touch up the tracks and actually be on the maintenance team here at Bluff Creek. So basically, I don't know how any of this footage is gonna turn out, but I'm gonna slap the GoPro on maybe some of the loaders. I have no clue what he's got. I haven't seen it yet. We'll see. Oh no! Oh! Now backflip out of it.
Oh boy!
Backflip out of it. Do something dope.
I can't.
GoPro fell off. It broke or something. I don't know where it's at. Woo! Thank God. Yeah. Told you to watch the GoPro. What happened? He's too focused on the dirt. He didn't watch the GoPro. Woo! Look how beautiful that is. Fell off again. It's alright, we got enough footage, I think. Whoa, what a beautiful day. It is hot, sunny, the bugs are out, the flowers are blooming, and we're making tracks better. So finally, it's our time to put our little touches on these tracks. For those of you that have rode this track and come to ride this track and travel to Bluff Creek to ride, this is for you. We are making this the best we can. I shouldn't say me, I should say my cousin Hunter. He's doing most of the dirty work and I'm filming. Man, is this thing getting a makeover. And would you look at that? We got a beautiful deer touching up the famous gravity cavity jump. The one everybody knows, the one everybody loves. We're making it a little bit bigger, safer. I cannot wait to hit this on my 250. Choo! Dang. So, I made a quick stop at the netting compound. Let's see what's going on over here. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Crazy. Woo! What's going on? What's poppin'?
That's what I need to get in.
Woo! my gosh.
I think it's pretty steep.
What are you trying to do, kill us?
Not really. No.
Jeez. I don't even know if I'll be able to do it today. Oh,
that's perfect.
Greasy. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Oh my gosh.
I got a little worried there. I landed right there.
Yeah, where'd you land?
You think it's wet? Right there on that crack.
Right here?
Yeah, literally right there.
Oh,
All that rough dirt.
good one.
Hey, at least it's wet.
Oh.
Look at the landing switch. Yeah. And that'll.
Okay, dang. Rip it.
Take a run at it.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I wish I could hit this right now. Yeah? Done now.
Come on, here first run and do it. Off the map. Did you see it?
Huh?
I looked, stared right at you as I came down.
Oh.
I really do want. Like no lift.
Oh. Okay.
It's like one spot that has no lift that you can scrub.
Yeah.
Come on.